Hey there, I'm going to go over solubility. So solubility is a testable physical property. So the question is it soluble or not? So it's testable, yes or no question. And I'm going to sort these. This is just a quick review. Quick review. So we have two words, soluble and insoluble. The definition for insoluble is does not dissolve. The definition for soluble is dissolves. Okay, and I'm going to go through my list. All right, so I have baking powder and water. We all remember that does not dissolve. I have gravel in water. That doesn't dissolve because it goes to the bottom. Rocks in water. Rocks go to the bottom because it's more dense than water. Cinnamon in water. Cinnamon goes to the top, which means it's less dense than water. Oil in water. Oil goes to the top, which means it's less dense than water. Brown sugar in water. All kinds of sugar will dissolve. Sand in water. This will dissolve. Not dissolve. Sand goes to the bottom, which means it's more dense. Cornstarch in water. It does not dissolve. Cornstarch is more dense than water. Cocoa powder and cold water does not dissolve. Cocoa powder kind of sits at the top and the bottom. Strawberry lemonade and water, that does dissolve because any type of drinking powder, like a powder that makes a drink, it's going to dissolve. Pepper and water does not dissolve. That sits at the top. Baking soda and water does dissolve. Again, sugar, any kind, will dissolve. Salt and water will dissolve. And cocoa powder with hot water will dissolve. Now, we're going to review the word solute and solvent. Solute is the substance because remember we talked about that. And the water is the solvent because solute is the substance that goes in, solvent is the liquid that it mixes into. And that's your review on solubility sorting.